As flight time increases, any unusual noises from the motors indicates the need for attention to maintenance. Here's a brief guide. Start by removing the screws from the motor base and then lifting the rotor. Use a brush to clean the internal dust from the brushes, then clean any dust from the stator. Finally, restore the rotor to its original position. Appeal the same procedure to the remaining 3 motors. After maintenance, carefully listen to the motor sound.